Today, I am going to show you how I create stunning custom pictures in minutes using Canva to design the background and Remaker AI to swap the face for a perfect personal touch. This is one of my favorite tricks for creating branded, eye-catching visuals that still feel unique and personal. Let's jump in and I'll walk you through how easy it is to bring your vision to life. I am going to Canva AI. Canva AI. I already have my prompt. I need to generate an image. Click on generate image. I can paste my prompt. Set a clean minimum full body image of a beautiful African American woman with glowing caramel tone skin tone, hairstyle and a sleek high ponytail, wearing fitting pants and oversized t-shirt in sky blue and bright gold. She is sitting comfortably and relaxed on a modern gray couch with her fully body visible from head to toe. Soft glam style, natural warm lighting, white and light neutral accent in the room, no color band or busy pattern. Plenty of open space above for text overlay. I want the size to be 1080 by 1080, which is for Fed. I can go back there and switch it to 1080. It's one by one. And the style, you can choose your own style. You can choose smart, cinematic, creative, or whichever you prefer. But I'm gonna go with cinematic. And then all I have to do just generate. Ta-da! Here's my picture, ready to go. And if you want, you can make this picture look just like you. You can select whichever you preferred. Let's see. I want to pick this one. So this one, I'm just going to download it. And I have it here. And now I am going to Remaker AI to swipe the face. I log in into my Remaker AI. I have 6 credit. So I'm going to click over here and face swipe. And I'm going to bring the picture I just downloaded. This is this one. 644, that's when I downloaded. And here we go. And I'm going to find the face I want to swipe with it. I want my own face. So let's see. Okay, I'm going to use this one. And all I'm going to do is just swipe it for 1 credit. It's going to use 1 credit out of my 6 credit. It's free. You don't need to pay for it. Every day they give you 10 credit by just logging in into your computer to collect your 10 credit. Here we go. And here's my avatar. It is. Look like me. I'm going to download it. And then I can do whatever I want with that avatar. Now, go ahead. Easy. Go create your own avatar. Go try. Just give it a shot.